Today we're going to take a quick look at creating a new intake form. Forms can be found in the Forms tab of your Healthie account. By default, you'll see a library of forms, either forms you've already created or Healthie's default forms that you can use as a template. Forms are intended for clients to receive and complete electronically. You can either send a form as a one-off form for your client to fill out, or you can add your forms to an intake flow, which would be a series of forms that clients would automatically receive and be requested to complete. Intake flows are covered separately. In your Forms tab, you'll see the option to create a form. Give your form a name. You'll see Healthie's drag and drop feature, which makes it really easy to build your forms from scratch. You can build charting templates in the same way. Just go to options and make sure that you're building you can either convert to a charting template or convert to an intake form. Now we're building an intake form. You'll see Healthie's question banks, and if you click down, you'll see different categories of questions that you can add. The default section is just going to include blank fields, standard fields that you can easily drag and drop onto your form. Just drag and drop. You can edit any field by clicking the edit option, and you can change the field label, which is the field name or what a client would see, and any information that you'd like to populate in there. Multiple choice options you can add and create several more options. You can mark a field as required by selecting the required box. That means a client won't be able to submit the form as completed unless they've completed all of the required fields. Click Update to just save your responses. You may want to select a different category for your form fields, such as charting, which includes common charting template questions, so maybe not appropriate for an intake form. Client info, which could be very helpful, and you can drag and drop things like the client's name, date of birth, address, etc. Agreement, if you would like a client to sign, such as a policy or just an office agreement or policy form, you can drag and drop these fields once again onto your form. So an agreement field would be anything that you would just like the client to read. So let's say you want to edit it and just add in a bunch of text policies for them to review here. You can ask them to click and agree, and you can add a signature field. There is a lot that you can do with Healthie's Form Builder. You can add documents, you can add folders, you can add videos, you can add your logo or a header. All of this information can be found in our help guides. If you visit help.gethealthie.com, you can search for and find a lot of relevant information. Once you're done with your form, you can preview it by clicking Options and Preview. And this will give you an example of what the client will see when they're prompted to fill it out. You can also generate a PDF. If you have a custom form that you would like our team to build out for you, we ask that you send us a Word doc or a PDF version of the form to hello@gethealthie.com and request that our team build it in your account. This has been Intake Forms. Thanks for joining us.